There are some glaring spaces here, and this space I noticed that you can see the thread. I'm using the transparent thread, and I don't want that to be, I want to close it up. So I'm gonna use the purple, bacon, and the black. Go ahead, pick a purple, a black, and a purple. Pass diagonally to the next size 8. So alternating diagonally between the size 8 there, and you are closing it up. Pick your beads and continue till you get to 10 toppings. Then you move to the next color. And here I have gotten to the 10th path. Here I picked up 10. I've gotten to the 10th path, and my thread is also short, so I'll just do a few loops, then I'll close up this part. I have 3 here, so I'll pass opposite diagonal to the next size 8 up there. Now I'm ready to tie. Just pass through any of the beads nearby, but not on the lane that you are beading. Pass through. Make sure your knot is hidden as you tie your knot. Cut off a comfortable length of thread. Fix your needle. Tie the knot somewhere here. Now pass it through till you get to perhaps this part, till you get here, till the thread. Make sure the thread passes through this size 8 that you ended the last one, to move to the next one. So that is that. So I tied a new thread to this part, and I passed it through here to connect to the next bead I was supposed to continue on. Pull my thread as usual, as we've been doing. Pick three beads, and you know the 3 beads here. One size 2, one size 4, and the next size 2, and pass to the next, and pass to the next here. So continue the zigzag topping till you get to the part where you're going to add the black, and you complete this part. So I have completed this, but before that I want to attach the Shambhala beads to it, and this is how I'm gonna go. So I'm ready. Now I'll pass my thread in. I want to connect to it to get to this point. So here 2 beads before the size 8. I want to attach my Shambhala to pick a size 2, the 2 Shambhalas, and another size 2, and here I have it. And I'm gonna pass through the next 3 size 3 there on that row. Just continue along this line to get to the next Shambhala that is somewhere here. Into the midpoint, just 2 beads to the midpoint, and here I'm going to pick as usual. I'm going to pick one size 2, pick up my Shambhala, another size 2, pick up my Shambhala, and another size 2, and another size 2. So I'm going to align the beads. When I align it, I notice that from the first one, I noticed that I'm going to pass up 5, skip 5 beads on the bow and pass through the sixth bead, which is it. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'm going to pass through the sixth bead. If your shambala size is 10 millimeter, if it's not 10 millimeter, you can always manipulate it and make sure that you align your bead for embellishing on the row that you want to pass it. Count number of beads that you're going to skip. So I'm going to count from here. This is my midpoint. I'll just count the next 13, and that is where I'm going to attach my next shambala. I'm going to pick, so I'm going to skip 5 beads on that row and pass through the sixth bead. And here I've gotten that. So I will continue along the rest of the row till I get to a comfortable